Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up voicemail on Android. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone app just like this, and you have to input your keypad. This is how it should be looking, not like this, it should be like this. So all you need to do is press down your number one, like one, press down one, and you're going to see this. So you can see add voicemail number. So I'll click on add number. So you're going to see there, you add your personal number right there. So I'm going to add mine, and you're going to click on OK. You can see voicemail number changed. So you have just set up your voicemail number simply like this, and anytime you call the number, you can be able to see that's the set. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.